We're getting a little bit of everything today between the rain, the strong winds, even some mountain snow in the forecast. And even though the skies over downtown look relatively clear, don't let that fool you because those changes are headed our way as soon as midday. So taking a look at the weather outlook for the next few days, the potential thunderstorms are even expected because of the unstable air. The storm system will be passing through North County areas like Oceanside and Carlsbad before it makes its way southeast. So it's going to be a much cloudier and cooler start of the work week tomorrow. We still have those chances of rain tomorrow as well. And then later down the road, those temperatures are just going to be rebounding. So the winds will let you know that the rain is going to be on its way. So as I roll it forward, you can see spots closer to the mountain will definitely be seeing those wind gusts up to 50 miles an hour today and tomorrow afternoon as well. Closer to the metro, though, very minimal. And as I roll the satellite and radar perspective, you can see that storm is settling along Los Angeles right now. Eventually, it's going to arrive in San Diego and rolling the futurecast forward. So 11:30 is when it's going to approach coastal North County. And then by later this afternoon, right around 2 p.m., you can see it start to approach Encinitas, and it's going to be much more widespread right around 4 p.m. It's going to clear out slightly, and then by tomorrow afternoon to the late morning hours, you can see it return and make its way closer to the mountains where it's going to exit and then pave the way to much clearer conditions after Wednesday. So as we take a look at the rain totals that we're going to get once it's all said and done, very minimal, close to 1/4 of an inch of rain after Monday, but spots like Escondido and Ramona definitely going to be seeing the most rainfall after the storm passes through. Now, temperature-wise, we're still pretty comfortable in the 60s across the board, and later this afternoon, take a look at how cool those temperatures are compared to the past few days. 60s all across the board with exception to Julian, 50 degrees there, 47 in Palomar Mountain. Santee is the only city that's seeing 70-degree temperatures this afternoon. So across the next 7 days, Tuesday, 69 degrees and sunny. That's going to continue to be the case up until Friday, with some clouds peeking through on Thursday, and inland spots going to be slightly warmer, though those rain chances will still prevail until tomorrow. And from Tuesday on, it's just going to be a nice and sunny stretch with 70s returning in the forecast, 82 degrees by next Saturday. And mountain areas, they're going to be seeing some snow overnight. So your best chance of seeing a light dusting of snow closer to the San Bernardino Mountains would be tomorrow morning, 47 degrees, 38 degrees as you start to wake up. Desert forecast, windy and 81 degrees, sunny from Tuesday on.